Okay, well, I got the second bridge in place here. And the third bridge is in place. It's just temporary. But I still got to put the guardrails on this bridge. The guardrails are on this guy. And I didn't do the thing I was going to do where I put them all in line as one big bridge to pull off. It was just, oh my God, I had so many issues, so I just did one at a time, and they're basically clipped together. Still have to put some ties under here, which I have over here. I have one of them cut right here, this guy here, and I'm going to drop him underneath there and then up through there like that. I actually had it in there and it looked good, so I just have to secure it, but I want to crazy glue these two rails together here, these pieces here, the guardrails. And I sort of screwed up here. These are code 70, and I thought these were code 70, but they're not. I think these pieces I got in there are code 55. I didn't realize it. But you can't really tell, you know, once I glue them together. And nothing is really lined up yet. The track in the bridge is not glued down, it's tacked, so I can move all three pieces and get it as straight as possible, which I will do next. And also I gotta pull this piece out here, just the clips come apart, and then I'm gonna put the guardrail on that and weather it up. So anyway, that's where we stand now. I'll be back. Okay, I have my bridges complete. The abutments are painted and weathered. I still have a little more to do. And there, of course, is my train that's going to come over the bridge. I'm going to show you that in a second. But these are Central Valley Truss bridges. They're really nice bridges. They're very well detailed. Let me back up here. Let me show you some of the details I did. That bridge foot is supposed to be left over from the double track bridges that were on here. And this is supposed to be some weathering where the old bridge foot was, and they pulled it off. I got a long way to go with the scenery. Here's the I still got to clean the track. So, you know, when you see the train come across, it's like herky-jerky in between bridge 1 and 2. I got to get in there and clean the rails, which is, I'm beginning to realize with truss bridges like these, it's a pain in the ass to get in there and clean it without breaking off parts. But I guess without further ado, let me run this train across here. I'm going to get my tripod, so hold on one second. Well, that was a good run. It's a success. Okay, I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the Walters bridge I had, and this is it here. I mean, this took me about a day to put together. It definitely goes together a lot easier, but as you can see, you know, the detail just doesn't match. You know, I mean, these Central Valley bridge kits are really nice, detail-wise. The one thing I don't like about this Walters bridge is it's too thick. The girders are too thick, I think. You know? That's just me. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a nice looking bridge. I haven't painted it yet or done any detailing to it. I'm going to detail it and put it on my branch line, I think. But you know, a comparison. Anyway, I wanted to do that. You know, so you guys can see the difference between the Walters, which is a nice bridge, but if you're looking for a little more detail and realism, you're going to go with the Central Valley Truss bridges. They're really nice. You're going to have to spend quite a bit more time on them. So, anyway, I thought I'd add that. Tell me what you think.